In this Pixelorama tutorial I will show you how to draw a cube in 1-point and 2-point perspective, using the perspective editor. You'll also learn how to add guidelines for greater precision in your creations. Let's get started. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content about Pixelorama and pixel art. Your support is very important to continue creating more videos like this. Activate the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.